Good morning, students. Today's topic is normality. The number of gram equivalents of a solute dissolved per 100 ml of the solution is called its normality. Again, listen to me. The number of gram equivalents of a solute dissolved per 100 ml of the solution is called its normality. Now formula. Normality is equal to number of gram equivalents of solute by volume of solution in milliliter, in short ml, into 1000. Or in other words, normality is equal to number of gram equivalent of a solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Means one is in milliliter, other is in liter. Now gram equivalent. What is gram equivalent? If the equivalent weight of a solute or substance is expressed in gram, then that is called 1 gram equivalent. So if the equivalent weight of a solute is expressed in gram, that is called 1 gram equivalent. Now for example, equivalent weight of H2SO4. E-H2SO4 means equivalent weight of H2SO4. It is equal to 2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4 by 2. Why 2? Because total positive charge on hydrogen is plus 2. So it is equal to 92 by 2 is equal to 49 U. Hence 1 gram equivalent of sulfuric acid will be equal to 49 gram. This is the difference. Equivalent weight is 49 U, and if it is expressed in gram, that is 49 gram. It will be called 1 gram equivalent of sulfuric acid. Now next example, equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide. At first molar mass of calcium hydroxide will be equal to 40 plus 16 plus 1 into 2 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because calcium consists of 2 positive charge. It is equal to 74 by 2. It is equal to 37 U. Hence 1 gram equivalent of calcium hydroxide is equal to 37 gram. Now third example is sodium hydroxide. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide. How can you calculate it? Mass of sodium hydroxide by total positive charge. Mass of sodium hydroxide 23 plus 16 plus 1 divided by 1. Why 1? Because sodium consists of only one positive charge, and hence total mass will be equal to 40 divided by 1 is equal to 40 U. Now 1 gram of equivalent of sodium hydroxide will be what? 40 gram. Equivalent weight is 40 U, and 1 gram equivalent weight is 40 gram. It is quite clear. Means 40 gram is the weight of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of sodium hydroxide. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sodium hydroxide, while 40 U is the mass of only one molecule of sodium hydroxide. This is the difference. Now fourth question is Al2O3, equivalent weight of aluminum oxide. How can you calculate it? At first you have to calculate the molar mass of aluminum oxide, and you have to divide it by total positive charge. Molar mass of aluminum oxide 2 into 27 plus 16 into 3 divided by 6. Why 6? Because one aluminum consists 3 positive charge. So Al2 is written here, means total positive charge will be 6. It is equal to 54 plus 48 by 6. It is equal to 102 by 6. That is equal to 17. Hence, equivalent weight of aluminum oxide is 17U, and hence 1 gram equivalent of aluminum oxide will be 17 gram. Now, some questions related to normality and others. First question, 3.7 gram of calcium hydroxide is dissolved in 500 ml of pure water. Find molarity, normality, third percentage concentration W by V, and fourth percentage concentration W by W. Now, solution. Molar mass of calcium hydroxide is equal to 40 plus 16 plus 1, 16 oxygen and 1 hydrogen into 2, because it is here OH whole 2. So total mass will be 40 plus 34 is equal to 74 gram. It is molar mass, not molecular mass. Molecular mass will be 74 U, but molar mass will be 74 gram. Now, number of moles of calcium hydroxide is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass is 3.7 and molar mass is 74. So, it is equal to 1 by 20, that is equal to 0.05. So, number of moles of calcium hydroxide is 0.05. No dot in it. Now, molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles by volume of solution into 1000. Number of mole is 0.05. Volume of solution is 500 and into 1000. It is equal to 0.05 into 2. That is equal to 0.1. 0.1 m. Means molarity of the solution is 0.1 m. It means 0.1 mole of calcium hydroxide is dissolved in 1 liter of pure water. Means 1 by 10 mole of calcium hydroxide dissolved in 1 liter of water. Next, number of gram equivalent. How can you calculate number of gram equivalent? Number of gram equivalent is equal to given mass by equivalent weight या equivalent mass. Now, equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide. Equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide will be equal to 74 by 2, because calcium consists to positive charge here. Calcium consists to positive charge. So, equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide will be 74 by 2 is equal to 37. So, equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide is equal to 37 U, and equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide is equal to molar mass of calcium hydroxide by total positive charge, that is 74 by 2 is equal to 37 U. 37 U will be equivalent weight. Now, number of gram equivalent is equal to given mass by equivalent mass. Given mass is 3.7, equivalent mass is 37. It is equal to 1 by 10 and it is equal to 0.1. So, number of gram equivalent of calcium hydroxide is equal to 0.1. Now, normality. Normality is equal to number of gram equivalent by volume of solution into 1000. It is equal to 0.1 by 500. 0.1 by 500 into 1000. It is equal to 0.1 into 2 is equal to 0.2 n. What does it mean? 0.2 gram equivalent of calcium hydroxide is dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water. Therefore, normality is equal to 0.2 N. Is it clear? Now, next, mass of solute is 3.7 gram. Mass of solvent is equal to 500 gram. And volume of solvent is equal to 500 ml. Volume of solvent is equal to 500 ml. Now, mass of solution 500 plus 3.7 is equal to 503.7 gram. Now, percentage concentration W by V. As you have read it, the formula is percentage concentration W by V is equal to mass of solute by 500 into 100, means mass of solute 3.7 by volume of solution 500 into 100, it will be equal to 0.74. It is equal to 0.74%. Now, other question is percentage concentration W by W. Percentage concentration W by W is equal to 0.7 by 3.7. Why? Because given mass is 3.7, means mass of solute is 3.7 by mass of solution 503.7 into 100. It is equal to 0.735%. Now, next question. Now, see the next question. You have read it in class 11 also. Now, see seriously. An aqueous solution of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, consists 80% H2SO4 W by W. Find molarity, normality, and percentage concentration W by V if the density of the solution is 1.8 gram per ml. Is it clear? Now, solution. As you have to calculate molarity that is calculated in 1 liter. So, at first, let the volume of solution is 1000 ml, means 1 liter. Let the volume of solution is 1000 milliliter. Therefore, mass of solution will be equal to 1000 ml into 1.8, means volume into density. Mass is equal to volume into density, that you have read, because D is equal to M by V. So, M is equal to D into V. It is equal to 1800 gram. Therefore, mass of sulfuric acid will be what? 80% of 1800, that is equal to 80 by 100 into 1800. 80 by 100 into 1800, it is equal to 1440 gram, 1440 gram, 1440 gram. Now, molar mass of H2SO4 is equal to 98 gram, that you have calculated, because hydrogen has mass 1 into 2 plus 32 sulfur plus 16 into 4 oxygen is equal to 98 gram. Now, number of moles of sulfuric acid is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass is 1440 by 98. It is equal to 14.69 moles. Now, molarity is equal to 14.69 m, that is nearly equal to 14.7 m. What does it mean? 14.7 moles are dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water. Now next question from that solution. Mass of solvent is equal to 1800 minus 1440 is equal to 360 gram. Means only 360 gram water is present in solution. How much solution? 1800 gram solution consists only 360 gram of water. Now molality. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent into 1000. It is equal to 40.81 m, small m. Means 14.81 moles are dissolved in 1 kg of solution. Now next question is percentage concentration, W by V. Now mass of solute is equal to 1440 gram. Mass of solvent, it is equal to 360 gram. मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन 1800 ग्राम, दोनों को जोड़ना है, दैट यू हैव एड इनिशियली. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू 1000 ml, दैट इज एज्यूम्ड. नाउ परसेंटेज कंसंट्रेशन W by V इज इक्वल टू here mass of H2SO4 by volume of solution into 100, that is equal to 144%. Now some homeworks are given here. See the homework. An aqueous solution of nitric acid consists 70% nitric acid, that is NO3, W by W. Find number 1 molarity, number 2 molarity, third molality, fourth percentage concentration W by V if density is 1.6 gram per ml. It is just like the H2SO4. You can solve it easily. Next question. 2.8 gram caustic potash is dissolved in 200 ml of distilled water. Find percentage concentration W by W. Second, percentage concentration W by V. Third, molarity. And fourth, normality. Next question, last question is 7.1 gram of aluminum hydroxide AlOH3 is dissolved in 7.8 gram aluminum hydroxide is dissolved in 250 ml of pure water. Find molarity, normality, percentage concentration W by W, percentage concentration W by V. Perhaps you can solve easily, and you have to solve it, and then you have to send the solution